Good morning. Here's the latest from the market open. The FTSE100 is lower this morning, down 0.69% at 10,284. In Europe, the CAC 40 is up 0.93% and the DAX is ahead by 1.32%. Overnight in the US, the Nasdaq fell 1.05% and the S&P 500 lost 0.65%, as investors monitored geopolitical tensions and corporate earnings expectations. In company news, British Gas has agreed a £20 million payout linked to failures involving prepayment meters, increasing regulatory pressure on the energy sector. Meanwhile, regulators have suggested Heathrow expansion could potentially be delivered by a rival company, raising new questions over the future structure of the airport project. In currencies, sterling is weaker against the dollar, euro, Swiss franc and yen, but stronger against the Australian dollar. Bitcoin is slightly lower against the pound. In commodities, copper and gold have fallen, while Brent crude remains above $104 a barrel as concerns about shipping continue. Natural gas is also modestly higher. That's your market open. I'm Fiona Craig. Have a great day.